In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively add proxies in AdsPower. Let's get started with the essential steps you'll need to follow to manage and import your proxies efficiently. First, you'll need to navigate to the Proxies section within AdsPower. This is your gateway to managing all your proxy settings, so it's an important place to become familiar with. Once you're in the Proxies section, look for an option that says Add Proxy or something similar. Clicking this will bring up the proxy input form, allowing you to proceed with adding your proxies. If you're looking to import proxies in bulk, there's a streamlined process for doing just that. Begin by preparing your list of proxies in a text file or similar format. It's important to ensure that you have only one proxy per line to keep things organized and manageable. There are specific formats you'll need to follow for your proxies to be recognized correctly. Commonly supported formats include IP port, username, password, or if you prefer, you can specify the protocol by using something like SOX5 /IP port, username, password. You might also choose to include a remark for each proxy if you wish, for example, by appending something like my remark at the end of each line. Once your list is ready and formatted properly, you'll need to paste these lines into the proxy input area designated for bulk imports. Keep in mind that depending on your version of AdsPower, there may be a limitation as to how many proxies you can import at one time. Often, this might be around 500 proxies, but it's worth double-checking your particular version's capabilities to be sure you're staying within limits. After you've pasted your list into the input area and confirmed everything is in the correct format, the next step is to click OK or Save to add them to your proxy list. This is crucial as it finalizes the import process and ensures that your proxies are ready for use within AdsPower. And there you have it. By following these steps, you will have successfully added your proxies to AdsPower, streamlining your online activities by ensuring you're set up with the necessary anonymity and location-based flexibility proxies offer. Remember, regular maintenance and management of your proxy list can help optimize performance and maintain a seamless experience as you navigate various online tasks. Thanks for tuning in, and don't hesitate to revisit these steps if you need a refresher in the future.